Good morning, world, from Stockholm, Sweden. By far the prettiest port we have ever parked in. Right, honey? So we made some new friends on the bus right here, and they are helping us get to our first stop, which is the Vasa Museum. Very excited. It's so beautiful here. I'm trying to find where we're at. We're at the Vasa Museum. I'm not really sure too much about this ship besides it's really beautiful and really, really huge. So we will tell you more about it in a moment. Yeah, but all we do know is that on August 10th, 1628, the Vasa set sail on its maiden voyage. And then, yeah, 2 months later.
2 minutes.
2 minutes
like,
later.
It was sank in the harbor.
Oh.
Like, on its way, people were like, oh my gosh, hey, it's so great, it's that. That's inconsiderate.
No, but they have a museum after it, so it must have done something pretty big. So, yeah. But it's gonna be fun, and we'll tell you all about it. So, honey is staring at this ship. What are your opinions?
It's huge.
So they have this little mock-up of a crow's nest. Lauren, how was that? Do you want to go back on it? It looks calm until you realize that it literally overlooks all of that. It is way too high. I love it. So we're in a full-scale model of the Vasa. Vasa is Vasa or Vasa? I don't know. But it's awesome. Oh, wow. Look at that. We are now walking from the Vasa Museum to Gamla stand, however you say it. I don't know. It's beautiful though. That's all I gotta say. If you guys are ever in Sweden, come to Stockholm. Official tour guide here.
You're doing a great job.
Can't pronounce anything that is on any of these,
Besides the point.
but I'm an official tour guide now. Certified by Lauren. And that, my friends, is the Royal Palace of Sweden. Wowzers. So we're in the courtyard, the Royal Palace of Sweden. How do you feel, honey? Wowzers is right. In the words of Lauren Tirado.
That was a quote.
Wowzers.
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 You got him.
Wowzers. Lauren Tirado. Wowzers. I love you. So we're in the treasury of the... We just got out of the Royal Treasury. Apparently you're not allowed to film in there, and I got yelled at. Or someone got yelled at.
You?
Someone here. But we saw the crown jewels. They really like their jewels in there. And now we're going into their apartments. And then right behind me is the chapel. this is the dining room. For
It's the gallery.
170.
But it was used as...
Oh, the gallery, sorry. Oh, there's a thing right here that says it. It's the gallery. But it was used as a dining room for 170 guests. But we're just gonna take a moment to admire the ceiling again. We're in the Hall of Antiquities, aka a lot of statues. Beautiful statues. What do you think of this fountain, Lauren?
La persona que hizo contribuido.
So when you come to Sweden, you have to get Swedish meatballs. So we got Swedish meatballs. Okay, Lauren, try one. Oh, yeah, try one. Tell me how it is.
Have you ever tasted it?
Tell me if it's like
Today, yesterday, in the U.S., cities of Chicago.
official food. Pretty great.
Pretty great.
Pretty great. Okay. Who makes better meatballs? Sweden or IKEA? Seriously, people. Stockholm is absolutely breathtaking.
You're a dork. Okay, do you want to go that way or not?
Do you want to go up a hill or down a hill?
This one looks like it's busy.
Yeah, let's go to the busy one.
Slash the one that's...
So we're currently trying to U-turn the cruise ship. And by U-turn, I literally mean a U-turn in a tiny spot. And look, and here we go again. Here we go again. Here we go. This boat's trying to... that boat's pretty close, but... Yeah, that's true. But, yeah.
And we're going to start making some noise right now, so I want you to all start stamping your feet, please. Start stamping your feet, let's go. Now start clapping those hands. Now I want you to scream, cheer and shout as we welcome to the stage the incredible Jonathan Barnes!
Oh my gosh!
Oh no. No. No.
Oh! Get out of here! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Look on your seat, it says splash zone. Okay, so we're going to start with the barbecue fork on my right foot. I'm going to kick it up into the juggling pattern. That's your cue to go bananas, even though it's a different fruit. And if I survive this, I'll share with you something truly special. So here we go. Oh! Yeah, come on, yeah! I'm doing stuff!
Seriously, the Baltic is amazing. I love the Baltic. That's some delicious water. Some delicious water.